ask us stuff you don't know. I mean, dig dirty, get the dirty, nitty-gritty kind of stuff. So, don't be shy, don't hold back. Tampa, put your hands together for Mr. Justin. Black t-shirt, always Segura. We're in Florida, you're wearing a black t-shirt. Oh my God. I know. Pick a new color, jeez.
I like these guys.
Serious.
Alright guys, like Andrew said, you guys can ask whatever you want. Nitty-gritty. Who has something? This girl looks like she has something right here. What's your name?
Hey guys! My name's Allison.
Oh yeah.
This is my 6th concert, 16 years, so thank you. You keep getting better.
Well, thank you.
I have a question for all of you, kind of directed towards Nick, but it can affect all of you.
I'll just put my mic on. Generally, whatever Nick does still affects all of us.
Y'all did the Backstreet Boys comic years ago. Would y'all ever consider revisiting that or doing your own? I know you are into art. You did that with Stan Lee, so I mean that was one of my favorite things y'all did. Would you ever do something like that again?
Heck yeah.
We're actually working on a live action film for them. I'm kidding, I totally
That's messed up. That would be cool. That would be fun though, right? Why not?
Saturday morning.
Directed by Zack Snyder. Let me know. Or directed by Nick Carter. Even better. That's a big one.
There's endless things that we can do, you know. I mean, I think that's what's great about the 5 of us is that we all have very unique minds, and when we come together, it's kind of like Voltron, you know. It's like Thundercats, you know. We can take over the world, you know. So who knows? You never know. Like, I tell you this, we have a, obviously, you know, I'm doing that movie thing, and I was talking about actually casting AJ in the movie.
Because I'm hairy.
No disrespect to the other guys in the group, but AJ's a really good actor, and he's never really had like an opportunity to. So, might put him in the movie as, because I guess what inspired me right now is the beard.
The beard gets more love now than I do, seriously. What the heck?
He's gonna be the cameo in Duck Dynasty.
Heck yeah! Make a Backstreet Duck call. Oh my God. Yes. Alright, Justin, where you at?
We're back here. Let's see. Oh, this girl's definitely excited.
She's bouncing, she's jumping, she's moving her hands up, she's hopping, she's dancing, she's wearing a pink outfit.
I'll be dancing all night.
There you go. Do it.
So this is a question. Can we dance for my
Yes. Oh yeah.
So this is a joint question between the two of us. So you have worn a lot of outfits and done a lot of photo shoots over the last 20 years. Which one do you regret the most?
There's a lot. There was one that we did, and I think it was Germany. Number one, all of our makeup was like pale white. Nick looked like Casper the Ghost. We had silver shirts on, holding a big silver disco ball, and it was just
For Smash Hits.
yeah. It was so British.
It was the cover of Smash Hits magazine. There was this one where we did, they made us eat fruit in these pictures, and I think Howie had like this strawberry with some cream on top, and he was like, you remember that, right?
Yes.
Mine's the worst. Have you seen mine? Oh, it's the worst. I got like some cupcake or something, cream on it, they're like, put it on your face. I just remember Dick's huge regret. Dick's lips were so red they looked like Macaulay Culkin. Oh, what was that? I think his lips were so chapped. His face was white, his lips were chapped. Yeah, they looked like.
Hey, remember the one we did in Canada?
Yeah, we did a shoot in our underwear.
We were all at the same
A little bit.
We were so.
Not really.
Kind of beefcake.
All right, Justin. is a good one. Real nitty-gritty stuff.
Leslie.
Hi, Leslie.
First of all, I want to be corny and say thank you for everything that you guys have done. Your talent has really brought me through a lot of hardships in my life. For the past 20 years, you guys are awesome.
You're welcome.
There's nothing corny about that. Thank you.
This is a dream come true for my sister and I. We paid enough to be here, but it's still a dream come true to see you.
Me too.
My question is mostly for Brian and Nick. Nick, I saw a clip of you on Dr. Phil, and you said that there was something about a cardiomyopathy, a heart issue or whatnot, but that had cleared up, so I was wondering if you've had any more problems. And Brian, I was wondering, what exactly did you have going wrong with your heart, and are you still having any further problems with that?
I was born with a heart murmur, which is a hole in my heart. So, let's see, I got an infection when I was 5, a staph infection in my bloodstream that I was not supposed to live from. So I had a 0% chance of living.
How long have we been fans?
Come on
now. We know better.
So, I had open heart surgery in 1998 where they went in and they repaired the hole. Okay, what was happening was there was blood passing to and from my right and left ventricle, which is not supposed to happen. So my heart was enlarged. So what they did was they went in straight through, not fun, and repaired the hole. And they also, I have a angioplastic ring around my tricuspid valve on the backside.
Half of these people probably don't even know where the
100%
tricuspid valve
healthy.
is.
And mine was actually, truthfully, alcohol and drug induced. And so what happens is when you party way too hard, as I did, you develop inflammation in your heart. So, and that's sort of what happened to me. And it's something that I have to be careful of. You know, I have to, it's just something that's, he noticed on the test that the doctor had done at those times, and he said, you know, if you stop drinking, you eat healthy, and you change your life, you know, you can reverse this. But I don't. It was like one of those things. I was right on the cusp of it being something dangerous, and I just have to be careful. You know? That's what I did.
Are you guys ready for the show tonight?